tiny little reddy here on the new rod. That's really small actually. That'd be one of the smallest ones I've caught here so far. One of the new Daiwa, Generation Black, 1.5 to 3 kilo. Really small, haven't caught any decent here yet, but giving it a crack, so he's off. It's actually another nice, bit bigger size. Another little bubby. This is a better one. Still not very big. Definitely a big fish. A local fish might be catching it. Not a bad bluefin.